There are all sorts of students, with different backgrounds and interests. Yet there is one thing they all have in common: they are learning English as a second language. Of course, some are learning of their own volition, while others are being forced to study English. No matter who students are, the fact remains that they want or need to succeed at learning. Today we at edubirdie will give you some tips. Keep watching till the end to get discount. Nourish your brain and your body. Students who are tired or hungry have trouble concentrating in class. If you are burning the candle at both ends, remind yourself of the importance of getting enough rest and balanced meals. Your performance inside and outside the classroom will improve by leaps and bounds if you take proper care of yourself. Do the work. There is one essential piece of information that students often forget. You are responsible for the learning. You must do share of the work after class, and this means not only doing homework but also reading extra material, listening to audio, watching videos, writing emails, and working on whatever skills you need to improve. Talk to native English speakers. Having normal conversations with native English speakers will do wonders for confidence and speaking skills. It all depends on where you live, but where do all of the foreign expats hang out? Are there any meetup groups in your city for English speakers? Any other clubs or organization where English speakers meet? Encourage yourself to join and be exposed to real, everyday English. Be methodical and consistent. If you want to improve listening comprehension by watching videos, you should have specific days and time to do it. Say twice a week right after class. You should listen to the same type of audio, in this case short news stories for a certain period of time before moving on to longer videos or audio. Switching from one activity to another may not give you the results you want. Stick to one method until you get results. Practice writing. Finally, you can practice your writing skills by keeping a journal or diary. Write about things that you did that day, your thoughts and your plans for the next day. You don't need to write a lot. Just spend a few minutes writing in your journal and make sure that you do it every day. Practice makes perfect. You don't have to be doing your homework or reading your course book to practice. There are many ways that you do this. Be creative and try to surround yourself in English language as much as possible and you'll be learning English quicker than ever before. Please use code YouTube10 to get your discount. For more content, subscribe to our channel and like this video. If you have any tips, leave them in comments down below.